It's 4 a.m. on a frigid winter morning in 1250 CE. Today, we're going to explore what a typical day was like for students and professors at Europe's first universities. Chapter 1. From dawn to dusk, your day starts at dawn and lasts until dusk. The first lecture, known as the Ordinary, begins at 5 or 6 a.m. and continues for 2 hours. At Paris, these morning sessions were held in total darkness with no candles lit. The predominant teaching methodology was scholasticism. Masters read from authoritative texts, students engaged in private contemplation. Chapter 2. When students and townspeople collide, medieval students enjoyed a unique legal status. Considered clerics, they could not be prosecuted by civil authorities, were exempt from local taxes, and were accountable only to university officials. You can imagine the resentment from townspeople when they witnessed drunken students vandalize property, instigate fights, or commit crimes without facing any repercussions. Jacques de Vitry, a student in Paris around 1200, provided vivid accounts of fierce ethnic rivalries among student groups, often termed nations, which governed university life. Tensions often escalated from taunts to physical confrontations. One notorious incident occurred at Oxford on February 10, 35, known as the Battle of St. Scholastica Day. Armed townsfolk attacked the scholarly community, resulting in numerous deaths and injuries. The consequences illustrated the university's power in medieval society. For the next 500 years, Oxford's mayor and bailiffs were required to attend an annual mass for the deceased scholars and to swear an oath to uphold the university's privileges. This tradition persisted until 1825. One Italian father lamented that a student's first song is a plea for money, and every letter will include a request for cash. A 4-year degree cost between 48 and 64 florins, while a day laborer made only 10 florins annually. Destitute students often lived in almshouses, working as servants, copying manuscripts, singing in churches, or begging to make ends meet. Students simply needed to study for 3 to 4 years and swear under oath that they had attended the required lectures. That was it. Inception was a grand event admitting a new master into the teaching guild. This wasn't a simple handshake for a diploma. It was an elaborate medieval spectacle rivaling royal weddings. New masters had to host a banquet for around 100 guests, decorating the hall with vibrant banners. Sometimes, upwards of 100 or even 200 guilders, equivalent to 10 to 20 years of income for a laborer. The medieval university had effectively created a system that made it nearly impossible for anyone but the wealthy to officially graduate. Despite poorer students completing all academic requirements,